In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the header on Mailchimp in just 5 minutes. This quick guide will walk you through the steps to streamline your email campaigns and give them a cleaner look by removing unnecessary elements. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Mailchimp's website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Enter your credentials and access your dashboard. This is the central hub where you'll be managing all your Mailchimp activities, so getting familiar with its layout can save you loads of time in the future. Now that you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. You'll find a tab labeled Campaigns. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear where you'll want to select All Campaigns. This section showcases every campaign you've created, whether it's ongoing, completed, or still in draft form. Once you're in the All Campaigns section, take a moment to browse through and identify the specific campaign you're currently working on. Click on the name of your campaign to open its details. Once you're in, you'll see a button labeled Edit. Click it to proceed to the editing stage, where you can make changes to your campaign's design. Next, scroll down to the section labeled Content. Here you'll find another button labeled Edit Design. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the email editor, which is where the magic happens. Inside the email editor, you'll see several different blocks, each representing a portion of your email. Locate the block at the very top. This is usually your header section. The header could contain things like your organization's logo, or perhaps the campaign's title. It's generally the first visual element your recipients will see. Once you've found the header block, hover over it to reveal a few icons on its corner, prominently featuring a pencil or edit icon. Click on this icon to open up the editing options for this particular block. Depending on your campaign design, the header could be an image or logo. If this is the case, you'll see a trash icon next to it. Go ahead and click the trash icon to remove the unwanted image or logo. Alternatively, if the header consists of text, simply click into the text area and manually delete the content. After you've made the necessary changes, you'll want to save your work. Look for the Save and Close button, typically located in the bottom right corner of the editor. Clicking this will ensure that your work is not lost and that your campaign is updated with your changes. And there you have it, your Mailchimp campaign now has a clean, streamlined look without the header. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide was helpful and your email campaigns now look exactly the way you want them to. If you found this video useful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Happy mailing!